have officially started summer term or term 3. Shortly before the end of last term, I got a mail from the head of school stating that we will instruct virtually for the first 2 weeks of resumption, and then the students will come back in person. So I'll be having all my children in person after the first 2 weeks of resumption. I'm loving this because there will not be any need for me to teach one concept to one batch and another day I will teach the same concept to another batch, thereby wasting ample learning time. The reason why we are instructing virtually for the very first 2 weeks is because during the Easter break, many families traveled, and in order for the school to curb the spread of COVID-19, they gave 2 weeks for families to isolate before physical resumption. So in this video, I'll be showing you my home office / virtual teaching setup. Let's do it! Hi, I am Blessing with Classical Creativity. I teach in Rivers State, Nigeria. In case if you are not following me, consider subscribing. My channel focuses on organization, creativity, and teaching with the 21st century instruction strategies. So if you're a teacher or a teacher mom, these days, mommies are teachers, and you intend to inspire creativity to transform lives, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I release a video every week. Before I show you my home office / virtual teaching setup, if you have not been following me on Instagram, do well to follow me there because I share more info there. Okay, so this is my home office / my virtual teaching setup. I'm going to carry you along to show you the different things I used on this corner of my room. So on this corner, I have my daughter's violin and my son's guitar stand. If you haven't watched my video on what I did for my children during the pandemic, please go ahead and watch it. I'll link it to the description of this video. Okay, so the next thing I have here is my table. This is supposed to be in my kitchen, but I moved it in here because I need to have like a station where I work. And then my phone. Behind my phone are the pencils, erasers, and stuff that I used to write. The stationaries, you can get this from any bookshop around. And then I have a greenery. This came from my Christmas holiday, so I kept it here just to have like something like that shows life. And then this houses my post-it note, and right now I have only this one. Behind this monitor, I have 2 speakers, and on this monitor, I attached this webcam. This is the one I use in my class, so I brought it here because I need to use this computer in order for me to allow my children to use the other computer since we don't have so many. So here I also have my MTN external Wi-Fi. I just got this to support the internet connectivity in this house because it tends to sometimes disturb. So I got this in order to boost the network. And then inside here I usually keep this because it's very close to this computer. Sometimes I use it with my laptop, which I'm going to show you shortly. And then I have my keyboard here and then my mouse. I also have my hard drive because I usually use this to store a lot of stuff. And then here I have my one phone. If I want to record, like quickly have a recording, I can easily use my phone, or I might even use my laptop here. So I have a personal laptop here. I use this to set up my Zoom meetings, and then this serves as a monitor to see what the children are seeing. So I used to use this too. Okay, sometimes if the network here is not strong, just like I'm going to use my external Wi-Fi, which I got to support the learning here in the house, because I know that we are going to be going virtually. Right now this is on and is supporting this particular personal laptop here and my one phone over there. Okay, so here I have a mini book shelf. Here I put some books, and here I have my regular notebooks that I write. Sometimes I journal in here. Then I have school books, the books I use to instruct. So for this one is the workbook math, for math, and then this one I use it for word problem, is for grade 1, but sometimes I use it to get word problems for my lower ability group. Okay, so here I have the math dictionary for 5 to 7 years. So sometimes I get the children to, I'll read out words, math vocabulary from here, or I can even make a flashcard or displays from here. So here I have my weekly check-ins. I made this one on Word and I attached it to the description of this video. This one gave the opportunity for you to write the number of weeks, the date, and even the names of the children goes down. Then you tick to show whether they are in class or not. So here I have MA is for math, then tasks for math. You can easily use it to track it, but here I don't track their tasks again because the learner management system we are using does that for me, so I don't need to repeat that again here. So this one, MA is for math, then LIT is for literacy. So T and T talks about the tasks given to them, so you can equally use this to track the task. And then from Tuesday we have IPC. I said it in one of my videos that my school is an IPC school, so we do IPC as well. We also have T for the task in case you want to track it, and then it goes all the way to Friday. So I still keep attendance, although I am not physically in school. Alright, so here I have my shoe rack. On top of it happened to be my charging station. I got this extension from an open market. You can get even better ones out there. So I charge all my gadgets here in preparation for the next day. Alright, down here I have the seat. This seat was made by my carpenter and I painted it white. And also have my cart. This cart houses my catcher. I throw in a lot of things in here. So here is my home office stroke my virtual classroom. Thank you for watching up to the end of this video. If you're hybrid teaching, I have a video on top tips for hybrid teaching. Or if you're about to set up your classroom for hybrid teaching, I have a hybrid classroom setup checklist. Link to the description of this video. You can print it off and use. Check out my other videos on how to teach using the WhatsApp. If your child have not started reading or you want to teach a child who hasn't started reading before the age of 3, I have a video on that as well. You have to let me know in the comment section of this video how you are instructing right now, whether in person or hybrid or virtually. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below because this helps me a lot. It makes me know that you need more videos like this one. If nobody told you, you are a great teacher and I'm glad that you are here. I can't wait to catch you in the next one. Subscribe so I will see you there. Remember, keep inspiring creativity and transforming lives. Bye!